Okay, we've been given a pair of window lift motors. It didn't say what they fit, but these could be Ferrari 400, Lamborghini. They could be just about anything. Most of these motors work about the same. So what we've got here is the motors, and we're breadboarding it here to show you that it is in operation. We've gone through and cleaned up all of the connections on the inside. These were not rusted, as many times the commutators in there are rusted and cause a problem. But the primary reason for failure of these is the diode packs in the back. But the diodes have checked out okay on this. Now we've got a power supply right here that we're using to supply power to this motor. We've jumped the ground and the power supplies just as the relays would do in the vehicle. And now, just for proof, I'm going to rub my finger on this rotating portion of the motor here in order to act like I am the headlamp linkage and mechanism that slows it down. We've flagged the lift mechanism, and we're going to show you that it goes 180 degrees and stops on its own, and 180 degrees and stops on its own. So go ahead, Matt, let's do that. Okay, and now for the other energized. Great, and do it again just for fun. Boy, it burns my finger. Okay, now go the other way. So this is stopping on its own using the clock motor inside of the head of the motor. We've done just as the relays do when you push up or down on your headlights, and energized the plug. So this is totally functional. We've reverse checked the diodes, and certainly doesn't work in reverse polarity, so everything is good. That's my story. I'm sticking to it.